Hello guys, review POCO M8, this version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage in the silver color. Open box and look completation. We have 6.77 inch 120 AMOLED display, 7.35 sleek QD design, Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 and supports 45W turbo charging. In completation we have only key for SIM slot, protected back cover and Type-C cable. Double camera on the back side, display, power button, wall buttons, downside Type-C, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, this combined slot, speaker and second speaker on the upside. Android 15 we have, Xiaomi HyperOS version 2, Android 15, okay, and open Geekbench 6. GPU test results, CPU test results, very good. Open Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, perfect, and PUBG Mobile works on the very high graphic level. Let's see gameplay. Game load and load very good on the max graphic level, very high graphic level. Okay, perfect gameplay. Close this. Now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.